Hello again. So in this video we're looking at calculating reverse percentages. Let's look at it through this first question. So imagine we've got some shoes that are on sale and they have got 15% off the original price. The sale price is £63.75 and the question is, how much did they cost originally? The first thing to acknowledge here is this price is not the original price. We need to find out what that price actually is. So we've got the price £63.75. That is not equivalent to 100%. That is equivalent to 100% minus the 15%. So we know that the 63.75 is actually worth 85% of the original price. So if you've watched the previous videos, you'll remember that we did a lot of multipliers. So what we do here is we find the multiplier for 85%. Well, 85% is 85 out of 100, and that gives you 0.85, and that's our multiplier. So we need to know if we're multiplying by 0.85 or dividing by 0.85. If we start with an original and we then put the new here, if we're going from the original to the new price, we are going to multiply, and if we're going from the new price to the original price, we are going to divide. So I think that's something that's worth remembering. So in this case here, we are looking at the new price because the sale price is the new price, and we're going back to the original price. So in our case, it's division. So we have £63.75 divided by the multiplier of 0.85. Put that in your calculator, and the original price is £75. Okay, let's look at this through another question. So in this question here, the population of a town became 23,800 after a 6% increase. So that there is not 100%. So we have to look at what it is. The question was, what was the population before the increase? So first of all, we recognize that 23,850 was the 100% plus this new 6%. That actually is 106%. And that means the multiplier is 1.06. So again, we've got the original. Now we need to know if we're dividing or multiplying. So going back to that idea from the previous page, original to the new is multiplication, new to the original is division. We had the 106, so we were at the new and we are going to the original because we're looking for 100%. So that means we're doing division. So we have 23,850 divided by 1.06. Again, put that in your calculator and you'll get 22,500. So the population before the increase was 22,500. Let's look at one more question. Okay, so in this question, we're looking at calculating the missing prices for questions 1 to 4. Original, again, is the 100%. So that's easy to see that there. And again, if we're going from the original to the new, we are multiplying. And if we're going from the new to the original, we are dividing. So looking at question number 1. So we did 150 is 100%, but we've got a 7% increase. So we're looking at a multiplier of 1.07. So we're going from here to here, and we're going to multiply it by the 100% plus the 7%. So the first one is 150 multiplied by 1.07. That's 107 divided by 100. And again, if you put that in your calculator, you will get £160 and 50 pence. Question 2, very much the same. We are multiplying, and this time we've got a 5% decrease. So that's 100% minus the 5%, so that's 95%. Careful on these ones, increase going up, decrease going down, really important. So we have got 2,300 multiplied by 0.95 for 95%. Again, put that in your calculator and you're going to get 2,185. Question number 3, we haven't got an original price. So after a 40% increase, we get 14,350. So that 14,350 is worth 140%. So the multiplier was 1.4. So we need to know that 14350 is worth 140%. As I said, 1.4 as a multiplier. In this case, we're going from the new to the original, so we're dividing by that. So we have 14350 divided by 1.4. That gives us £10,750. So the original price before the increase was 10,750. Last question. Again, we are going backwards here, so it's division. We can see that straight away. It's a 95% decrease. So what is this worth? That's the key question. So £345 is worth 100 minus 95, which is 5%. As a multiplier, that is 0.05. We already said it was division, so we've got 345 divided by 0.05, and that will give you £6,900 as the original amount. Reverse percentages are where you use the percentage to find either an original or a new value. I think the key message here is to know whether you've got 100% or whether you've got an adjusted percentage here. I hope you got something from that, and if you have, please like and subscribe. Well done, and I'll see you in the next video.